we're just working our way back here to the creek. Just want to see if that milepost marker was closer to the creek. Sorry for the lens full of glare here. No, I see nothing. If we could have read that milepost marker on the culvert, it might have given us a little bit better idea of where the heck we were. Man, from a distance that looked like the pole. Yeah, no 173 here. So here you can get, we're getting into the rock cut here again. You can see that very layered look to the rock. How it's all sort of stacked in big sort of blocks. Again, this is sedimentary rock. So a little bit different from the usual igneous rock that you'll find in the area that makes up the Canadian Shield. Big tree down. Let's see if we can get back up on the bike here without killing ourselves. Chug, 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 chug. This is not a smooth ride by any stretch of the imagination. The camera will probably do a nice job of smoothing everything out, but not smooth on my butt. All right, so we are arriving here at the end of our journey. So we are now approaching the Blende River Viaduct. I'm just scanning here to see if there's a flanger sign. As we approach the bridge, sorry, the viaduct, which is the proper term for this type of structure. So you'll notice that this is gated. This gate is not original. This was put in afterwards because basically people were going out on the bridge, and in 2016 somebody fell off the bridge. Thankfully I don't think they were too badly injured, but certainly this is a very big hazard. You can see the rails here. You can see this is called the Jordan rail, I believe, which is this inner set of rails that basically is designed to sort of, if trains kind of derail a little bit, keeps them from hopefully toppling over. Again, you can see the all of the rails and the jointed rails here. I don't know if we can see any identification on these rails. So this one is 1928. You can see they're really flattened out on the outside part. Really flattened out. So if we approach the bridge here, the viaduct, sorry. Let's do this. Maybe that was the milepost marker there. We push the camera through. I don't want to drop it here. So you can see across the viaduct. So the viaduct is very large. It is 2,258 feet long. It is the largest railway structure in the central part of Canada. So this area here. It is 130 feet high at its highest point. So again, this viaduct was constructed in 1912. So construction began in late April 1912 and was completed. They put the last span up at the end of December. So amazing construction. So literally they were able to build this entire structure in a matter of 8 months. And so in early January, I think January 13th or something like that, was when the first train rolled over the viaduct. So just amazing work on the construction. I don't know if we can drop down and see a little bit of the underside here. You can see a little bit of the concrete work from the abutments. All the graffiti and stuff. And here you can see some of the we'll work our way down here. I hate that people leave all their garbage here. Like, come on. Is that necessary? And you see all the tie plates. So the subcontractors for the concrete work were the Kennedy Construction Company, and they were the ones that poured this. I think in the next video, if you click over, you'll basically see a link to the next video. And we shot all the next video by drone because there's no way I'm going out on that bridge on the viaduct. And so they poured, I believe, 3,600 cubic feet of concrete. So here you can see the feet of one of the pedestals here. And in that video, I basically talk a little bit about all of the technical specs of this structure. Okay, we'll head our way back up here. Well, this is kind of neat here. Right beside the abutment of the bridge, you can see all of these pieces of old segmented concrete culvert. Not sure why they were dumped here. Maybe as erosion control. You can see over here that there's, maybe it was erosion control, because you can actually see all of these ties and timbers that are dumped here as well. Yeah, this is probably all erosion control here. All right, so this brings us to the end of our adventure. Trying to see if there's a name on the, this is Algoma steel, 1928. Okay, so hopefully you've enjoyed today's adventure and all of the neat things that we've seen here, traveling from Pass Lake to the Blende River Viaduct here. And obviously, again, make sure you check out the video of the viaduct itself. It's a lot of neat history that we talk about in there, and gives you kind of an overview of the whole railway line as well. So we'll be back with more adventures as soon as we can. So in the meantime, thanks for tuning in and stay safe.